Hello everyone, welcome to Klenshop.com. Klenshop.com is an online e-commerce website. For more specific, is a multi-vendor e-commerce website that allow vendors to upload their own goods or their own services or whatever they want to sell on the site, and then other customers who are in need of their service comes to the site, buy, and they get paid the amount of money they want. So this is a site called Klenshop.com that have come to your doorsteps. Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about the interface of Klenshop.com. Alright, so the first thing we got to see on our right is chat with us, which is a live chat available for people who may not get certain things right and they need assistance. And then the second thing is on our left, which is a dark mode, which when you click on it will give you a dark theme. Yes, so the whole site is having a dark theme, and if you already have a dark mode activated on your PC, the system picks it automatically for you to use the dark mode. So this is how the dark mode works. Okay, so basically of major interface of the Klenshop, and this is the home page of Klenshop. We have home button or tab, we have vendors, and vendors contain people who are selling, or shops or companies or stores that are available for sell or that are selling. So if you want something as a customer, you just go straight, look for which person has been referred to you, maybe Pentium GH or Detectives or Sonic, based on what you want. And then we have the shop, and the shop contains categories of items that are being sold or sold on the site. We also have about, which is about the website itself, containing the board or the creative team of 3 people, and the contacts of the company as well. We have accounts, and these accounts containing my accounts and affiliates will be in a different have a wish list possibly. Then we have a wish list, and wish list is a section where after you don't have money but you got something nice on the site to buy, you put it in your wish later on, and then you later on buy it. So if you want to buy, you don't have to go through searching, you just go through your wish list and then you buy it from there. Then we also have our cart, which tells you the number of items available for you to buy now. Okay, so basically that is the interface. But if you get to the footer or main button of it, we have some important links which have to do with the privacy policy of the Klenshop.com, the shipping details of Klenshop.com, terms and conditions, and then we have some quick links. We have know more about us, okay, visit store, and then let's connect. Okay, and then these are our social media channel. You can email us or Facebook us, Twitter us, or Instagram us, but for now we are only having Facebook and then email available, so you can get us in any of those places, and then our search button you can use to search any item you want to search. Okay, so basically that is Klenshop for you at the moment. In the next video we will talk about shop, my account, which is having my account, and then the store buttons. Okay, see you in the next video.